How to fix the thumbnail preview not showing up in your windows. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are having that issue, if you see the blank icons instead of image or video preview, you can follow out this method in order to fix it. So we can open up a file explorer for that and go ahead and look out for the view option. After that, go ahead and look out for the option called show, and you can just go over or look out for the three dot and look out for options. And there, look out for the option called show recently used files, always show icons, etc. Look out for view options, this option right here, always show icons and never thumbnails, etc. And ensure this option is not checked and apply the changes once you do so. And also clear out the thumbnail cache. You can press Windows plus R for that and type in clean mgr. Hit enter and just go over and select up your system drive here. After that, click on OK and check the option for thumbnails and click on OK. Look out for thumbnails option, ensure this option, check it, click on OK and confirm it up and delete the files. And also make sure the visual effects allow thumbnails. You can press Windows plus R for that and just go over and type in sysdm.cpl and hit enter. Go to the option for advanced and within there look out for performance and go to their settings and ensure that the show thumbnails instead of icons option is checked here. I'll just go and check this option and click on apply and click on OK once it is done and do so. And also update your graphics driver, press Windows plus X for that, go to your devices manager, hit enter and expand your display adapters here. Once you expand your display adapters, find your graphic drivers, right-click on it, select the option for update driver, and update your driver for your device. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up if your thumbnails are not showing on your PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.